Don't let their soft paws fool you. Cats are built for explosive power. With strong hind legs and a flexible spine, a cat can jump up to 6 times its body length in a single leap. That's like a human jumping over a car from a standstill. Their muscles store energy like springs, allowing them to launch upward and forward with precision and grace. It's not just power, it's control. From fence posts to rooftops, a cat's leap is a masterclass in natural agility. And when they land, it's almost silent. Nature made them stealthy, and their skills, impossible to ignore. Powerful legs, a flexible spine, and razor-sharp focus turn a simple jump into a moment of art.